Hi guys, my name is Sudeep and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your video for your YouTube channel from your Android smartphone, and the phone which I'm using, that would be Vivo V15. So you need to open Play Store from your phone, and in the search bar you can type it down Kinemaster, Kinemaster. Yeah, so this is the application. Click on that and you need to download this application in your phone. I have already downloaded, so I can open it directly from this open button. So these are a few projects that I've been working on before, and if you want to start your own project, you need to click on this middle button. And if you're editing this video for your YouTube channel, then the aspect ratio which you need to follow, that will be 16:9. So I'm gonna pick up some clips from my older videos and I'll show you how you can edit your videos. So let me search for some clips. Let me export my intro first, and after that these are the Secondapur market videos, like northeast food. Let me search for more. Okay, here are the sector 29 market clips. So I'm gonna put some food videos that I've taken and some children's. Yeah, that's all for now, and yeah, that's it. And in the end I'll enter my intro one more time. Now let's check how it looks. I believe the volume is a little bit higher, so let me just lower down a little bit. Around 60 to 70 would be fine. It should be come in middle. Let's check one more time. Yeah, I believe it's fine. Okay, in between you can enter some slides as well. Like you can see, there is a gap in between in each and every video, right? So you can just pause it and enter some like animation, so it looks cool on your video. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's check more what else we can edit over here. Okay, now you can see this clip of none is like very long, so I'm gonna trim it down a little bit and make it short. Let me check. Yeah, right from here. Okay, it's done. Let me just see one more time. Yeah, it looks perfect. Alright, you can see this clip is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna just brighten up a little bit. Click on the video and adjustment, yeah, brightness, and a little bit of contrast and a little bit of color. Let's check one more time. Yes, looking good. Alright, I'm gonna trim down a little bit this video as well. Alright, and lower down this intro volume, obviously. Okay, let's start from the beginning again, or we can enter something like text over here, like do subscribe, or like something like that. Do subscribe this channel, or we can write it down like do like and subscribe to show your support. Yeah, drag down a little bit of zoom, and we can enter some background color. Yeah, and we can put some animation as well. Yeah, it's looking good now. Let's check. Now I believe we should enter background music. So I need to lower down all the volumes of this video clips. And you need to click on audio in order to enter the background music. Yeah, and you can see there is music assets. From there you can like put all the music which is like copyright free. You can download in the store as well. Check this camping day, drop it off. Now let's check another one. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna just trim it off in the beginning of my intro, last intro. Now let's check how it looks from the very beginning. I believe the background music is a little bit louder. I might have to lower down the volume a little bit. Yeah, I need to lower down the volume. Okay, so you can click on it and go to the volume and lower down a little bit. Yeah, as I told you earlier, 60 to 70, that would be fine. Or we can enter some text in the end of this video like thank you for your support. So I'm gonna do that. Thank you for watching. Okay, drag down a little bit of zoom and animation clockwise. Again, I need to enter the background color as well. Yeah, background color, outline, glow. So let's check one more time. Yeah, that looks cool. End of the video now. So now I'm going to save this video and check what kind of quality it can give when you save the video. Like what happens is normally there is many application when you edit your video, and in the end when you save it, the quality of the video it brings a lot low. So it has been downloaded now, so now we can check what kind of quality it has given. VLC. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please do hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well, so you can get the notification whenever I upload a video. I'll see you in my next video now. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.